Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. To change the wallpaper, press and hold on your home screen, then Wallpaper and Style, and now you can choose a wallpaper from here and click on More Wallpapers, and you can choose an AI wallpaper, emoji workshop. You can go to My Photos to choose a gallery from your photos, or choose a wallpaper from here. For example, live wallpapers, like this one, or maybe art, and let's choose this one. And now you can set it as either lock screen or home screen. First you can preview it on lock screen and on home screen. Then set wallpaper, and you can choose where to set it, home and lock screens in my case. And now it's set here and here as well. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.